Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have not filmed in so long. I kind of took a break from YouTube and social media and stuff, but I'm back, so I thought I would do a vlog today. We are moving tomorrow morning. The removals company is coming at I think this is between 8 and 9 a.m. so we are trying to get everything all packed, hence the chaos behind me. We actually chose to have to do the packing ourselves. You can choose to either do it yourself or you can have them pack all the boxes for you, but we decided to do it ourselves just because I like to declutter as we go along. Victor's having a snack. He's having some biscuits. What are you watching? He's watching If I Were an Animal, his favorite TV show at the moment, isn't it? Okay, so he's watching that and he's having a snack, and we're actually gonna go to the park, I think, in just a little bit, just to have a bit of a so he can have a run around, and then we'll get back and I can do more packing. I think we're making good progress. We still have a few bits here and there to pack. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And I just wanted to show you, I went into Primark yesterday. Here we are. I went in there to get a few things for Victor and get a few things for just kind of lounging in the garden, because we're gonna have a garden at the new house, which we're so excited about. And I also went into Flying Tiger and I got him a few garden toys and just kind of toys that he can play with outside with water or sand. So I'm gonna show you those because I thought that would be a fun little haul to do. I won't do like a full Primark haul because I don't feel like I have, maybe enough things to show you. But yeah, we went there in the morning when they just opened up at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Yeah, 9 a.m. I think. And it's usually quite empty if you go really early in the morning, so that's nice. And we had face masks, so that's all good. I think starting tomorrow on the 24th, it's mandatory to wear masks in the shop, which I think is really good because, it's gonna help kind of stop this spread, isn't it? Hopefully. So yeah, we got a few things for the garden, so I'm gonna start, I think, randomly because it's all packed in there. It's not in any type of order. So this is for myself. It's like a sun hat. Oh. This is what it looks like. Well, you got 2 seconds there to see it. Can I see how much that is? Can you show me the label? You want to put it on? Oh wow! Oh wow! Can I see you? Oh, that hat.
It's a brown one.
It's a brown one. Okay, let me see how much this was. This was £4. Okay, he's just watching TV like that. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, so I got that hat. I thought that would be really good for the garden. And then I got this one for Victor. Oh, it has a carton inside. So this is what it looks like. It says yeah. They had loads of things with like happy or awesome on them. Look at him, he's at the snack drawer. What are you looking for? Are you getting another snack? He had breakfast. He's eating so much these days. He had breakfast and he had some milk in a cup, and now he's having biscuits. Where does all the food go? I have no idea. Yeah, they had loads of these cute thingies in store, and they are from the Stacy Solomon collection. If you don't know who Stacy is, she is such a sweetheart. I mean, you probably all know who Stacy is. But yeah, she's got a collection with Primark. I follow her on Instagram. I love her stories. And her Tap to Tidy, they're just so satisfying to watch. So I got this from her collection. I thought this would be really cute for Victor. Sorry, I had to take a break because we are heading outside. My friend just texted me. We are meeting up with a friend here. She has a daughter about Victor's age. She's a little bit younger, so we're gonna go have a little outdoor play date, the last one before we move. So yeah, we're gonna head out now, and I'll continue my Primark haul when we get back. We are back from the park, but it is so much later on. We actually went for about 2 hours on a walk with our friends. Got to say goodbye, which is a little bit sad, but I'm sure we're gonna see each other because we are moving a bit out of London, but it's not that far away, so we can still meet. So yeah, we met Victor's little friend and I got to have a little mom chat. And we got back. Victor had a nap because he woke up this morning at 4:30 a.m. Honestly, when I saw that on the clock, I was like, so yeah, I was exhausted too. And when he had a nap, I actually slept for about half an hour as well. He slept for 2 hours and I slept about half hour of that. But it was just so needed because I felt like my eyes were just shutting closed. So I feel a bit more refreshed now. Had another coffee as well. So I'm gonna get back into packing, but I just feel like these days it's been so exhausting with everything. Like my shirt is a bit wrinkled now, but yeah, I'm gonna finish my Primark haul that I started this morning at probably 9 a.m. I think. What are these? Victor picked these.
This is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur pajamas?
Yes.
Yeah, dinosaur pajamas.
A really big one.
A really big one. And this was £8. Not, you know, not necessarily my favorite ones, but he really liked them. You picked these, didn't you? He definitely needs some new pajamas. I actually want to get some more for him, but I just got those for now. And then I got him these sliders. How cute are these? They had these rainbow ones. I think they had the ones with a white base for babies, like for smaller sizes, and then these ones are the larger sizes for older kids. And this was £5. So I thought these would be really good for the garden, just so that he can just put them on really quick. And what's wrong?
Mommy, please open it.
You want to open it? Okay, let's open and you can see your pajamas. Here's the t-shirt. And then these are the bottoms. There's dinosaurs on them. Did you see? Look. Wow. Look at these. And then these are your sliders. And they have a bit of elastic, like an elastic band at the back, so I thought it would be handy if he's like running around, just so that they are more steady on his feet. Next, I got him this. Who's this for? It's a sweatshirt and it says amazing in these rainbow colors. So cute. I thought this would be a really nice one for him to wear on colder evenings. And this was £7. I got it in a size 3 to 4 just because I felt like he is not 3 yet. He's gonna be 3 in October, but I just felt like the 2 to 3 size was a bit smaller for him, so I figured I would just size up, and I actually think this would fit him right even now. Look, here you go. This one's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then I got this for myself. So cute. It's a t-shirt and it says smile in rainbow colors as well. I actually think, I'm not sure if it's gonna be a good size or not, but even if it's a little bit oversized, I don't mind. It's 2X small, but it doesn't look that small to me. I'm not sure if the sizes are necessarily accurate. This was also from the Stacey Solomon collection and it's £5. So I just thought it was so cute. Okay, next I got this beach cover up, which I'm not sure if we're necessarily gonna go to the beach a lot, but I figured this would be really good for like wearing it around the garden as well. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like those kaftan dresses, so it's cinched at the waist, and look how beautiful it is down the front. It's really nice and flowy, so I think it's gonna be a really good one just to throw on top when it's really hot out. And this was £10, so I thought that would be a really good item for summer. Then I got myself some PJs. I actually have some very similar ones, just in a pinkish color, that I got last year, and they are holding up so well, and they're the comfiest pajamas ever, and I wear them so much. So I wanted to get another pair, and I got this top. They have this t-shirt one, and then they also have a long sleeve one, but I got the t-shirt just because I feel like during the night it's more comfortable with this, and it's so nice and soft, and it's ribbed. I'm not sure if you can tell. It is a bit wrinkled because it's set in the bag, and this was £6. I just got it oversized so that it fits, you know, just more loose and comfy for nighttime. And then for bottoms for this pajama set, they have shorts, and then they also have long trousers, so I picked both. So this is what the shorts look like. Really nice and comfy. Again, they're a bit wrinkled because they were in the bag, and these were £5. So I just figured these are going to be so good to wear around the house. So yeah, really nice set. And then this is what the fall-on trousers look like. Again, really comfy. They've got a drawstring. Let me try to take them off the hanger. So this is what they look like, and they've got pockets as well, a little drawstring, and these were £10. So yeah, so cute for pajamas. And then lastly, I got 3 of these items in different colors just because I felt like they were such good basics. So they have these tops. They're just very simple cami, so very comfortable. They were £4, but the thing I liked about these is that they have a padding. So this is what they look like inside. Let me try and turn it around, show you. So they do have padding inside, so it's basically like a bra 2-in-1. So you don't need a bra with this, which I thought was brilliant. So I'm gonna have to try them on and see what they look like, because obviously you can't really try them on in the store. But I think they would fit fine. I think they look like they would fit fine, even if it's not like super fitted. I don't mind. So I got this in a size, what size did I get it? I think size S, or no, it's size M, this one, because the size S looked a little bit too tight, but we'll see how it fits. So I got this one in a gray, and then I got it in a white, and then I also got it in a black just because I felt like it was such a good basic. So it's gonna be really nice to have with multiple outfits or just throughout the home. It's gonna be really nice basic. So yeah, that's my Primark haul for this summer. And then I thought I would show you what I got for Victor from the Flying Tiger. So I got him a xylophone. He really loves playing with this already. It also has a little stick that you can use for this. So that's the xylophone. And then I got this it's like a pool noodle that you can use to spray in the water. I thought it would be a really good garden toy. And then I got him these ice cream cones, so cute, but I thought he could play with these in sand or water, and they've got different tops. And then I got him a watering can for the garden, and then these little thingies that you use, like you put this on your hand like this, and then you can play with the ball. It's got Velcro, so this sticks. So I thought he would really enjoy playing with these in the garden. So yeah, that's my little Flying Tiger haul. Not a lot, I just wanted to get him a few garden toys from there. And honestly, I feel like every room in the flat looks horrible. There's just stuff everywhere. And I feel like we are making progress, like we've packed a lot of things, but it's just, you know, it's getting to that stage where it just looks horrible before it looks better. Yeah, look at that. I need to go ahead and finish packing some of these things.